Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's really quick video, I want to be teaching you guys how to print white with your DTF printer. Now I'm talking from pure experience here. Each time I've printed white with my direct-to-film printer, it always came out kind of dull, it always came out kind of like not white, it always came out also cracking. Hopefully this video is going to shine some light on how to mitigate this and how to get nice vibrant white prints to give out to your clients and or your clothing brand to the next level. Now guys, I am sorry if I'm speaking with a lisp. I did get my wisdom teeth removed. Now guys, the main takeaway, and I won't waste too much of your time, is basically just do your maintenance properly. I've done a video on how to fix cracking prints. I'll give you guys the main takeaway right now. Do your maintenance on your printer. Video right here on how to do your maintenance. After the maintenance is done, like I said, go take a look at that video on how to fix broken prints. I've did a few on my channel. After you've done that, basically you'll do a diagnostic of your printer or a nozzle check. Basically the page is going to come out. From there you're going to be taking a look at these lines, most importantly those two white lines, making sure that all of the lines are there. If all of your white lines are there, you can insert your powder and insert it inside the oven. Some DTF ovens have uneven heating elements, so just make sure you do your own testing, and when the sheets comes out, it's really rubbery. From there guys, one of the other important step is going to be to press it properly. Really straightforward. What I use is 290 degrees Fahrenheit for 44 seconds at good to medium pressure. After that we let it cold peel, so basically we're just letting the sheet cool down, and after that we just slowly peel like this guys, and we get flawless prints each and every single time. The main thing guys, why you're not getting these nice prints is because you're missing some lines on your nozzle check. And you might be thinking to yourself, what if all of my lines are there and I'm still experiencing some cracking, or the whiteness is not necessarily where I want it to be? So we use absolutely the best ink, the best transfer papers, and also the best powder. We don't sacrifice with any how can I say this? I don't want to say that the equipment that you get from China is necessarily cheap, but most of the time guys, they're gonna try to cut off the actual quality elements of the product to save a few cents, especially with the shipping that is extremely expensive. You're not getting that quality product. So I did do a cheap versus premium transfer sheet video. I do suggest you guys check that out to get an in-depth idea of what you guys should be putting your money in. You don't want to go with the cheaper option because it's going to cause cheap results. The white that we're getting out of these prints is completely insane. It doesn't crack anymore, it's vibrant, it's really white, and we're really grateful to have this experience. Previously in direct-to-film printing, we weren't able to get these nice vibrant white prints. We experienced a lot of cracking and a lot of broken prints. So hopefully this video shines a bit of light on what to do to get those nice vibrant white prints. Hopefully you guys find some value in this video. I know for a fact that I had difficulty printing white prints with DTF. So hopefully, like I said, this video is going to help you guys out a ton. If ever you have any comments or questions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below. Leave a like on this video and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.